going on, guys? Back on another one today. Little solo bang. Kind of got to do a quick intro here. I'm running a tad late. It's Monday morning. I believe it's March 9th today. And I've been kind of in a hectic mode here. It's really muddy out here on the flat. Almost got the truck stuck coming out, so I had to walk out all the decoys in my chair. I didn't even bring a blind. I'll show you what I'm setting up when I get out here. But it is springtime, water everywhere, mud, and there's quite a few birds flying around already. Not too many. I saw probably 400 or 500 out here the other day, and there's probably 30 or 40 of them flying around. So stick with me. I'm gonna get out here, show you kind of what we're working with, and then set up. And it's actually pretty warm today. Last couple days have been kind of cold, but I'm sweating right now walking out. So we are almost to the spot. I'll show you what we got working here. All right, guys, wait. All right, I got set up. It's starting to turn out to be not such a great idea because it is freaking muddy out here. But basically, kind of just set the full bodies, and I got a couple of the dive bombs set out, and then I got some flick-a-flockers going for some motion, and I am just sitting in next to these hutches. So there's a couple birds flying around. I don't know what's gonna happen today. I've been trying to get on some winter hunts and I just haven't been able to really connect on anything. But if I don't get anything to come in here in the next 15-20 minutes, I'm gonna start throwing out some lucky doves and getting that static motion up. So let's hop in and see what happens. Guys, I think I need to go home. Got two guys right in the middle here. Coming. I think they landed right to the left of me. All right, we're on the board. That one was off camera, but we have a pigeon dead. Got a good sized group coming on the right side, guys, right here. Coming in, coming in. Oh, I wasn't ready, man. Got them both. Oh, we got four coming. Another brownie. Cool bird. Yeah, like I said, like I said, the wind's kind of pushing right at us. So they're coming right over the backside of my head now. And I'm shooting better, but I'm not shooting good. Single right here, right here. That. See, I can hit stuff when they're 60 yards in the sky. Nice bird. I'll tell you what, guys, you want to kill some birds. If you want to decoy pigeons, the best time is right now in the spring, early March here, late March, early April, even into May. These pigeons are breeding hard. They're all horned up for the spring to come. Or if you can get on them wheat fields in the fall, like I say, that's probably the best time to do it numbers wise. But if you're just looking to get out by yourself, train your dog, get out with some buddies and shoot a couple birds like pairs and triples and stuff, this is the time of the year. Let's get to it. Big group, big group. All right, guys, I just went and got 100 shells about 40 minutes ago. One-hander? I shouldn't have tried that. I'm limited on shells. Anyway, I went and got 100 not 40 minutes ago. I'm on my last box. And I'm shooting better. I'm not shooting up to my standards by any means. There's 3 coming right here, right here. Right side, right side. I mean, we are on them now, boys. And gals. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of sweet. Like as a wing shooter, you always want that wind at your back, or at least kind of mainly across, or like back to crosswind. This wind right now is kind of just like quartering into my face. And I'm sitting by this calf hutch to my right. I'll show you guys kind of again where I'm sitting, but they're literally coming up right past my, like that 2-pack that I exploded, that bird had to have been 2 yards from me. So it's sweet. I'm getting to look them right in the face as they're coming in. There's 2 right here. I mean, we're crushing them, baby. Third one, third one. are piling the pigeons right now. Give me a thumbs up and a share and a sub for that, guys. Come on. There's a whitey. Got him. Let's go. That's a pretty one. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't liked, subscribed, and shared any of our content, I would greatly appreciate if you did. We've been running the channel now for 5 or 6 years, and yeah, I really appreciate you guys' support and everyone who's been watching the pigeon hunting videos. I really appreciate it. I know it's not a huge thing right now, but I'm trying to show everybody how fun this can really be. No season, no limit, no rules, no nothing. So if you like wing shooting, I got into wing shooting when I was like 12 years old, and this is what I started doing. And I don't know another animal or species that I'd rather shoot out of the air. So let's get back to the hunt. Yeah, I'm not loving it. They're coming right over my head now. Oh shit. Coming right. I can't keep up. I think I learned how to shoot again. Oh, all these cripples, man. I gotta start just killing them. I am getting my cardio in. Holy shit, this is getting good. If I hit noon and I run out, there is a slight chance I will go back and get right here, right there. Reefer, let's go, baby. Let's go. Now we're shooting. We got pigeons bombing on me right now bombing. Okay. Oh my God, I killed 2 pigeons in 2 shots, and he's getting away. So that was a perfect example, guys. I didn't get the second one on frame, but I dropped the first one. If you get in the springtime, especially, you get a pair to come in. You drop that first one. If you just wait, that second one will come right back. I gotta go grab this one. He's running away. That thing ran for a ways. Oh. Got him. That was my last shell that I have. So now I'm gonna shut the spinners off, load up all my expensive stuff, and go grab some more shells, because I did not think it would be this good. Alright, I'm back again from the store. Oh my goodness, I am out of shape from the winter, and it's muddy out here. I had to park 200 yards away, and I have been running around chasing cripples like a madman. I got 100 more shells, and when those are gone, or you know, like 2 o'clock hits, I'm done. So I guess let's get back to it. I had to shed the black bibs because here comes some pigeons. It's warm out here. 5-pack, guys, right side. I am hitting collaterals today like crazy, dude. I literally turned that bird around. Oh, he's hit. He's hit. He's hit. And he's hard shot, and he just fell out of the sky. I got a rice cooking in the microwave, got pigeons coming in for days and days. If you guys don't like this shit, I really don't know what you want as a wing shooter. I mean, beautiful day out here now. It's probably 45 degrees. Slight wind. Like I said, the wind's not ideal, but the way that they're coming in right off my right shoulder for you guys close, like to see them on the camera. 3-pack right side, guys. There's 2 on my left as well, but this 3-pack's eating it. What am I doing, bro? But my first initial shot on these birds, it's literally at 8 to 10 yards, so, oh shit. Just wait on the second. The third wants in. Four shells, 3 birds. So as I was saying, I'm picking it up a little bit. That bird is a warrior. You knew I was gonna do it. I mean, I'm just letting it roll, dude. That's just straight carnage. Comes another one. I can't miss now. Finally, we're down to my last box. Another big group coming.
Another big group coming at me. Dude, this is insane. Like, I'm tempted to go back to Walmart one more time. Dude, I am crushing them right now. And if you don't think I ain't gonna ground swat some pigeons, bro, you're an idiot. I'm gonna take this high bomber. Ah, that's terrible. That was a waste. Oh, fresh 5 coming. Gosh dang it. I was just about to say though, I know a lot of people get shit for shooting geese on the ground, which I get that. We try not to ground pound all our geese, but if I got a wad of pigeons landing, I just shot 2 in one shot. That's my 6th collateral of the day. Here comes 5 burning right over my right shoulder. Just the one. Let's go, baby! 5 for 5! Come on! Left side, guys. Left side, right here. That mate should come around. I am telling you guys, you shoot, if the pair comes in and you kill one, and the second one gets out quick, just sit right back down. It'll come right back. Coming in right behind us, guys. Oh, I went for the far one too. Oh, he wants in, but he's behind me. I'm gonna shoot him there. That was off camera. We got him. All right, guys. I've made a decision. I'm gonna shoot these 7 and then call it. Don't get me wrong, the last like hour has actually been the best of the entire hunt. There's about to be 2 pigeons right here on your screen. Alright, he's down. 2 for 2. I think that one might run away, but. Show me someone do that goose hunting. Just stand here. Oh, by the way, we ain't shipping, but if you're local, you want some of this drip, you know what I'm saying? If you're gonna shoot pigeons next to a white hutch, you need one of these. Like, have to have it. You might not shoot good in it, but you'll get action. I think this is it, guys. One shot, one opportunity. Collateral. Ah, I got the one. I'm out of shells. About to throw the gun at him. I'm telling you, watch this. This bird will not leave because I just shot his mate. I don't know how well you can see up there, but. Alright guys, I'm going to shut the spinners down and we're going to pack it up, get a final count. That was a hell of a hunt. That's a pigeon hunt, boys and girls. One of the worst things about pigeon hunting though is there is no limit. So when you run out of shells and the birds are doing that, it really sucks.
That's 116 in hand dead. I lost 3 cripples without any shells that flew away from me, so that's about 120. And then I know for sure, just like every good pigeon hunt, we got a couple others that probably died, but we got 116 in hand. But we're gonna give this spot a little rest, talk to the farmers. He wants us to come back in a couple weeks and try it again. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the next one.